All right, we are at farmers market, so I'm trying to figure out how to get in. It's like things blocked that way. Everybody and their mama is out at the farmers market today, y'all. Oh, I think I see an entryway. Here we go. It's hardly any parking. Should have worn my sunglasses. Yes, I don't know what I want to get today. Oh, somebody's got some nice purses. Look like she made those. Hi. Those are nice. You make these yourself? They're really great.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That side and all those bags are reversible. The ones with the poly handles.
Mm-hmm.
And I always send them out with a tissue holder and a coin, matching coin purse.
Nice. Nice. Yep, I see them attached. That's so cute. They're a good price, too.
Thank you.
I'm live on YouTube. You want to do a quick ad?
No, that's okay. I'm not good at that stuff.
Okay. It's free. Free advertisement. But yeah, those are cute. All right, take care. Baked goods. Oh, excuse me. We have honey. I have to use the honey. There's a lot of people over there, though. I'm gonna go through the main fair or walkway.
But it was worth
Spring onions.
even when you're a little kid, you have to do things.
Huh. And sauerkraut. There's my maple syrup lady. I gotta stop to see her. She was explaining to some new customers about her maple syrup. So I definitely need to stop and get some maple syrup. We've got clothing.
I wonder if Richard's going to be at the farmer's now.
We got plants. Oh my goodness. There's a bunch of stuff over there too. There's a lot of people though. This is the kids section. Hello. Let's see. Excuse me. It's that morning thing.
Alright, you want to go back?
Oh, she's got her little dog. I'm gonna get some of this maple syrup.
You like that dark one too? Yeah. Okay. And there's nothing in this but what came out of the thing.
Hey,
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
I'm on YouTube.
Yes.
You want to do another shout out for your company?
What should I say?
Whatever you like.
Okay, well, hi. Tree hugger here at Richmond Farmers Market. We're loving it. It's like a party. You should come out and join the party. And have some maple syrup and satisfy your sweet tooth while you're here. We're here for you.
Yeah, this maple syrup is amazing. I actually like the darker one. It has more flavor to me.
We've got the maple cream and the granulated sugar too.
Okay.
So come on out and we can fix you up.
All right, so you heard that. So, yeah, you're actually a vet too, right?
I am not a vet.
Oh, you're not?
You mean a veteran?
Yes.
Not a veterinarian. Yes, my husband and I are both veterans, and our daughter and our parents.
Yeah, so you also support a family of veterans.
That is true.
So, yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of the dark.
Okay.
Let me see. Maybe. Yep. Okay. Yeah. There's 20 there.
Okay. So let me get your thing.
And even though it's $16, this is worth it.
My fancy helper here.
Oh, he's so cute. Yes.
That's Blue. He's helping.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my little basket. But yeah, it's worth it because for a long time.
It does. They're all shelf stable. They'll last.
Oh, I already got it in them.
You got it?
Yes, thank you.
Do you want some nutrition information?
No, I have that.
I thought you did. But you know what? Here, take a couple of these little temporary tattoos. We got these little maple syrup associated.
Those are cute.
Aren't they cute?
And they got the little cardinal.
Yes. And a little refrigerator magnet.
Isn't they cute?
And my recipe of the year. What I'm doing now, I'm infusing my maple syrup with jalapeno.
Ooh.
So just cut up a jalapeno, put it in there, heat it just till it's bubbling around the edges for about 10 minutes. Don't boil it. Then let it come off the heat, but sit for about another 10 minutes and then strain the jalapeno out. It tastes like a jalapeno popper. It's so good.
Oh, wow.
And then we've been glazing that on our burgers.
Oh, wow.
And it is delicious.
Yeah, there's something about that sweet and spicy. It's just, it's a satisfying,
it really is.
you know,
I had
thing.
never tried it before. I wasn't sure how it would go. If you really like a lot of kick to it, I left the seeds in mine. You could leave it a little longer. It'll get hotter. Or you can take the seeds out if you want it really more mild. And then my daughter was putting it on a cracker with a little cream cheese.
Oh,
and
yeah.
That on, and it tasted just like a jalapeno popper. We're like, oh, hallelujah. God bless America.
Yeah, I like to put it on salmon.
That's one of my favorite things.
I bet that recipe on salmon would be good too.
Yeah. And I just bought fresh carrots, right? Because carrots are in season right now. And so I like to glaze roasted carrots. You roast them like you would with a little bit of oil and salt, right? Roast them on a cookie sheet. But when they're done, or almost done, bring them back out. Drizzle a bit of maple on there, your syrup, put them back on the for a minute, and caramelize that. It is so good. So good. And carrots are in season right now, so they're fresh and sweet.
Yes. I like to cook the tops of the carrots too. It's really good.
Those. I do cut them and save them and put them in a salad, but I haven't tried cooking them. Did they cook down like greens?
I cook them with some potatoes in the morning. So good.
Do you think I could put those in a frittata?
I guess so, as long as they cook down first.
But cook them down like I would spinach? I'm going to try that.
I bet that would work.
Yeah.
Long and week before once they're open.
That's like how many next to the center of a Tootsie Pop. You will never cook it. I mean, like, I don't know, a couple of years, like forever, like honey. I mean, it's like honey. It's such a strong sugar content. It will last a long time. It may start to crystallize in the jar a little bit, and you can heat it up and melt those out again. So
Yeah.
that'll last a pretty long time. Yeah.
Yep. So,
Are you having fun out here?
oh yeah, I am.
It truly is like a party out here.
It really is. All these people are out here.
I know, it's
I couldn't even find a parking spot.
Yeah, for youth market and stuff, yeah. Music and the kids and the dogs and the splash pad going and all the fun vendors and community organizing people and it's great.
Yep. They're going to be having, oh, did they have any live shows this morning or no?
I do not know.
I guess the kid thing is the live thing today.
I honestly don't know.
Okay. All right. Well, it's good to see you
Thank you.
again.
It's good to see you
Take
too.
care. I appreciate you.
Oh, thank you.
All right. So I have $4. I didn't tell you, but I had $20 to spend.
Like Lily endowment and things like that.
Let's see. I got $4. I'm sure people are thinking I'm talking to myself. Somebody was talking about skyscrapers. That black building right there, that's our skyscraper. So, yeah, that used to be the Second National Bank. And one of my neighbors, John Lane, he was the custodian of that bank. It's a little better view. And he used to take pride in making that bank look amazing. And it did. Waving at the one lady. Let me see. Can I get anything for $4 there? I'm $1 short. Oh, she got cold pops. Oh, wait. I can get a tissue holder for $3. Those are neat. I think I'm going to get me a tissue holder.
Okay.
I'm still talking live.
Okay.
I'm going to put my little basket down. That's a Japanese shopping basket.
Oh,
Yeah. So for people who are wondering what I'm talking about, the little pink basket right there. All right, let's see. It was what, $3? Okay, that's $4 there.
you got one.
So take
Here we go.
one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Maybe one day I'll bring enough and I can get one of the purses too. So I've been seeing these being made on YouTube and they look so cute. Is this recycled or repurposed denim or just new?
It's just pre-washed.
Pre-washed, okay. Because
I've had it for a number of years, so I guess we can call it kind of used.
well, yeah, I've seen people take jeans and make it.
Yes. I do a lot of purses out of jeans when I have time to take them apart.
Yep, that one's nice too. I like this one right here. Okay, now I got to pick out a tissue holder. Nobody's watching, so I don't have no help. Let's see. Okay, this is cute. What's this one talk about? The Walking Dead? I actually met some of the cast members of The Walking Dead.
Oh, did you?
I met, what's the main guy's name?
The Rick guy?
Yeah, I met him. I could have had a longer conversation with him, but I had to go. I had to catch my catch my bus back home. I like this one. I'm going to take this one. But then again, I like this one. Okay, I'm going to change my mind. Take this one.
Oh,
Okay, I'm taking this one. All right.
That'll remind you of the bag.
Yes. All right, take care. Excuse me. Hello. That's all right. Ooh, all the plants.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing? I'm all right. Got $1 left.
Oh, and I'm here every Saturday.
Oh, it's a cruffin.
Yes. Because I only sell
Yeah, that's cool. So I kind of put it to the ground. Let's see. Greens. Beautiful looking greens. Where's Christopher's farm?
We're 25 miles north of west, so we're over near Modoc.
Okay. You want to do a quick shout out on YouTube?
Sure.
Okay, let me show Christopher's farm. What's your name?
I'm Adrian.
Let me get a look closer.
My name's Adrian.
Tell us about your farm.
We are a certified organic produce and cut flower farm. My mom started it 27 years ago, and now I've got it with her. We grow on about 2 acres of land. We sell at the Richmond Farmers Market. We have a CSA in Richmond, CSA in Muncie, and then we sell at the Farmers Market in Cincinnati as well. So
Okay.
we're every Saturday. We love it.
Yeah, it's a nice day today.
Yeah. We've been busy. That's for sure.
The prices aren't bad either. Oh, you have flowers. Are these? Ooh, I don't know if I would.
Thank you.
Like I was thinking, like the kind of flowers you can put on
Thank you.
on like cakes and stuff, or toss in salads.
These are bouquets for the tabletop. We've got lilies and snapdragons, larkspur, some yarrow. These are bachelor buttons.
Okay. I think the bachelor buttons are edible, if I remember
I
right.
think you might be right about that, yeah.
I don't know if I want to take a chance. All right. Well, thank you. You have a good day. All right. And this will. All right. So I'm heading out. And I'll see y'all later. Take care. I'm going to end it here somehow. Got to get both hands. All right. Catch y'all next time. There you go.